My name is Kayla Nafara. I'm a queer fashion influencer and just an overall vibe. You're trying to figure out how to get free clothes. Here's what you need to do. First and foremost, please post consistently. No, you don't want to hear that, but nobody wants to send you anything if you're not consistently showing up on your platform. Why would they send you something when your audience never expects to hear from you? I think you can manage to do minimum once a week. It should be a little more than that so you can get some more momentum. Then you can post a little less once you get bigger. Bare minimum. You need to be posting once a week on your desired platform, period. Once you've got consistent on posting, you need to put your business email in your bio. My name is Kayla Nafara. I put KaylaNafara@gmail.com. Put that in my email button on Instagram. I put it on TikTok, everywhere. So people know how to contact me so they can send me shit. You need to do the same. If you do not do the same, it will be the reason nobody is reaching out to you. Make sure that email is only for business. It's not your subscription email for Sephora. It's not the one you use for school. This is a separate email. The only thing going to this email is negotiations, brand deals, giftings, creator related only. Moving on. I need you to go ahead and avoid those scams. Go to literally any person you know's Instagram comments, read that comment that says promote it on, collab with us, or DM us. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever seen an actual brand do that? Have you ever seen one notable brand go into literally anybody's comments, ask them for a collab right there? Do you think Nike is going into Miss Lori Harvey's comments and saying, Lori, promote us or not? So any of those brands you see commenting that, rule them out. Don't negotiate with them. It's not worth your effort. They're not real brands. Also, sometimes they will DM you. There's a very specific language. Let me give you an example. They're gonna say something like, hey babe, want to be our ambassador? Generic. And then this is the kicker. They're gonna ask you to pay for the product but only 50% of the product. That's a scam. Any brand working with you is not gonna make you do 50%. And if they're having you pay for 50% of the product, that's not a collaboration, that's a discount code. If they say we'll pay for the entire product, all you have to do is pay for shipping, that's a scam. Once again, do you think Nike is reaching out to influencers and saying, hey, we'll let you get 50% off if you promote this to your followers? Think about it, guys. It's not happening. That's not how it works. Influencers influence. So if you want to just do your 50% off and get the product, by all means, go ahead and do it. I can't say that the store will actually send you the stuff, but that's not a collaboration. You're wasting your time by even responding to those. No brand that is actually trying to work with you, is serious about influencer collaborations, is going to make you pay for the product or pay for shipping. So ignore those. Now that we've gotten past what to avoid, now you can get into the goods, what you should be going for. You can go onto influencer platforms and apply on there. Brands are always trying to give away things, because one thing about brands, they definitely don't be wanting to pay nobody. But the bare minimum, they're gonna give you something free. You can get that. This is a very obtainable thing. So you can go onto literally like any influencer platform, Aspire, Maverick, Coley. Just look up influencer platform and they will literally give you anything for free. It could be clothes, it could be skincare, it could be pretty much anything. And you can get it for free. All you have to do is apply. What I like to do is I'll go on like a platform like Aspire and I'll go to the top and they have this little filter that you can filter it in for like beauty, fashion, home, whatever, and I'll just put fashion and then I'll just go apply to those brands. Now you just got free clothes. Another way to do it is you can DM a brand that you want to get clothes from. Hey, I just wanted to reach out because I love your brand. Simple stat, how many followers I have on Instagram, how many I have on TikTok. They'll respond to you. They will, one, either give you an email contact, or two, they will just tell you, yeah babe, what's your address, and you can get it from there. And now you have free clothes. When they agree to do this, I come back and say, hey, this is perfect, we can give you an entire free clothing set, but would you mind just including us in one post on Instagram? Now this part is completely up to you. If you are a beginner influencer, this message can kind of be taken any way you want. Me personally, what I will do is say, hey, you want to gift me, but I've noticed you wanted to post. I can't give you that. But what I can say is, I can accept this gifting in good faith. Should I like the product, which I hope I will because it should be quality, I will give you a story that I have no obligation to post. This email looks something like this. Hey, thanks for reaching out. At this point, I am not accepting unpaid collaborations, but I am open to doing a gifting with no obligation to post. If the brand agrees to that, Perfect. Don't have mandatory content and a mandatory deadline on something you didn't even get paid for. If they don't agree to that and you decide you still want to do the collaboration, by all means do it, especially if this is your first time doing a collaboration. Don't shy away from it. You got to get some experience, you got to get your feet wet, so I get it if you don't feel comfortable taking money yet. Eventually, you're gonna have to stop just saying yes to free things. But that's how you can get started with that. You can literally do it to any clothing brand that you want to work with. DM them, find them on influencer platform, or email them and just ask them, and they're probably going to say yes, as long as you've already done the other steps, being consistent. Of course, I'm assuming you're posting quality content, you have your email in your bio, you're Gucci. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments, and as always, I am so thankful for my community. Bye.